my channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing November's BoxyCharm. Yes, I finally got it. I got it so early this month and I couldn't wait to share with you guys what I received this month. So here I am. A huge thank you to BoxyCharm for sending me this month's base box once again. All right, let's just jump in. This month's theme for BoxyCharm is Harvest. It's so freaking pretty. I love it. This is why I decided to go with this kind of look, like the theme. So I hope you guys like that. I got this box before I could even post my sneak peeks. But anyways, the first item that we got was in this weird packaging. It's the Peak Palette by Natasha Denona. This is my very first product by Natasha Denona. I have heard of it and I've heard very good things about her brand. I do know that it is on the super pricey side. That's why I have not gotten my hands on any of her palettes. But I was able to get my hands on the Peak Palette thanks to BoxyCharm. As you can see, the packaging is freaking amazing. It's so freaking beautiful. I love it. It's clear, it's plastic, it's simple, because you know what? The colors say it all. It's just so beautiful. And I love that it's like this creamy pink. It's kind of like my water bottle. Do you guys see that? I love this. A pinky nude. Obviously, I'm gonna love this because it's warm tones. It's Harvest. It's fall vibes all in this palette. And I decided to do a cut crease inspired by Ariana Grande's look in her new album Positions. You can already see from the beginning it does not have a mirror, which I actually don't mind. I love the simplicity of the packaging, but it's still very chic. You get 4 completely matte eyeshadows and this one metallic eyeshadow. They're so soft. This palette is super pigmented. You guys will see in this video I used a primer with this one, and this palette does not need a primer. I used the primer because I got the primer in here. It's already super pigmented on its own. On the back you have the names of the eyeshadows. This palette is worth $48. You guys see when I say it's on the pricey side. There's 5 eyeshadows in this palette and it's $48, but guys, let me tell you, it is worth it. They're super pigmented. This has to be my new favorite go-to palette. The next item that we have in here is by Peach and Lily. This is a Power Calm Hydrating Gel Cleanser. It deep cleanses and soothes your skin. I don't know the brand Peach and Lily, but I did see it as an option before in BoxyCharm. It's just I never got that skincare product. And now I was able to get this guy. A very cute packaging. I love the color. This has camellia and chamomile. This is 100% worry-free, cruelty-free, toxin-free, gluten-free, and vegan. It has no sulfates, no synthetic fragrances, formaldehyde, synthetic dyes and colorants, parabens, mineral oils, silicones, and more. This has a very calming scent. It kind of smells like lavender with chamomile mixed in. It's very relaxing. I don't see that it has lavender in it, but it smells like lavender. Maybe that's the camellia smell. So you can use this in the AM and PM. You don't need a lot. It's only a dime-sized amount. You just mix it with water to get more of the soapiness in it. I freaking love this and I cannot wait to keep using this. Anything that's skincare that will clean it, that will hydrate it, I love. I always welcome skincare products. My skin definitely loved last month's skincare. This left my skin calm, refreshed, and hydrated, and it's very gentle on your face. So if you have sensitive skin, this is a good option for you. This little guy retails for $28. Next, we have a product by Milk Makeup. This is... What are you doing? Just do it! This is not my first item by Milk Makeup. I did purchase the stamps before, nothing else. I've been wanting to buy skincare from them, but I haven't had the chance. Maybe I will soon. This is the Kush Waterproof Mascara. This is the most bougie mascara that I have in my entire mascara collection. It's super heavy. It feels very expensive. The packaging is a killer. I love the color, first of all. It has texture on it. It's so beautiful. This whole thing is made in Italy. It's intense black mascara with thickening heart-shaped fibers and conditioning hemp-derived cannabis seed oil. I actually saw how pigmented this was because normally when I apply any type of mascara, I always see at the top of my lashes that they're still like grayish, like the mascara didn't go on top. But this time I saw my entire eyelash was actually black. I did like that. This little guy retails for $24. Next, we have another skincare product. Yay! This is by the brand Yenza, which honestly, I never knew this brand. This is the Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask plus 8 Super Orange Essence. Oh my god, it's so freaking good. I loved it already. I fell in love right from the start. You can see here on the side what are the 8 Super Orange Essence that it has. It has pumpkin, turmeric, papaya, grapefruit, ginger, carrots, honey, and orange. So then you open the little box and you have this like cute message right here, which actually tells you the meaning of yen. In Chinese it says color and face. In English, deep desire and passion. Vietnamese, calm and peaceful. And Japanese, currency. It is powered by 8 Super Orange Essence, which we talked about. This is a nourishing mask and face polish all in one. It hydrates to leave skin smooth, supple, and radiant. Pumpkin to boost your collagen, and turmeric soothes the skin. It's also like orangey looking on the inside. It smells very citrusy. I do love that. And it has like sugar scrubs to exfoliate your face. It says to smooth a thin layer on your clean, damp skin for 5 to 10 minutes. And after that, you have to gently massage it in circular motion with warm water and then rinse your face. After you rinse it, you're left feeling like glowy, hydrated, kind of like an oil. My skin didn't mind that because it actually helped it hydrate, especially now that it gets colder in the winter time. My skin needs hydration, otherwise you're gonna see like super dryness on my skin, and I don't like that. It's such a good product, man. I freaking love this. This actually reminded me of a product that I have by Ulla Henriksen in a tub, so it's kind of like around the same thing. This little guy retails for $45. And the last product is by Alamar Cosmetics, which we have received in I think 2 of my previous boxes. This has such a cute name. This is the Pero Primero Primer. It's a long wear sticky pigment base. I used it all over my eyelid, which may have been my issue because I felt like it was so sticky and it wasn't letting my eyeshadow blend like it should. It says it will help maximize color and pearl dimension. It also works as a glitter glue. Also says to mix with your favorite concealer to customize the primer shade. I didn't read that. It does provide skin conditioning and moisturizing because it does have shea butter in it, and it's water and wear resistant. I can definitely feel that it's very long lasting. You can see that I am not creasing. Normally I tend to crease, but I'm not creasing at all. I mean, I did have a bit of a hard time with the color at the top because it kind of looked patchy, but maybe I should have mixed it with a concealer to have a less patchy surface. I did try to use this primer with the Natasha Denona palette, but I only tried it with this color right here, Shine, and you couldn't really tell the difference. I didn't want to use the rest of the matte eyeshadows because I know you weren't going to see the difference either. So I decided to use a different eyeshadow, which I knew was not pigmented at all, and you can definitely see it is so not pigmented. And then when you add the primer, wow, it makes such a difference. You can see how good this primer is. This retails at $15. Alright guys, and that was everything that we got in this month's box. My favorite item has got to be, obviously, the Natasha Denona palette. I freaking love this. This is gonna be my go-to palette. It's small, it's compact, I can throw it in my purse. Well, I can just take it on the go with me. The mascara too, because I've never had a mascara that actually completely covers the whole eyelash. Maybe because I didn't spend so much time, but I didn't need to do so much on my eyelash to get it completely black. So these 2 are my favorite items for the month. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite item for this month. Now let's jump into the makeup tutorial. is the finished look. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs this video up. Now the total value for this month's box is $160, but you get everything for $25 a month. Now that completes this video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments down below your favorite item, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys till my next video. Bye! If you have sensitive skin, Next we have a product by Milk Makeup. For the total value of this month's box, oh my god.